One of the interesting aspects in doing the work for Libby's Hope is to see the changes in research, the changes in technology as we move along. There was an engineer up in Silicon Valley by the name of Moore that worked for Hewlett-Packard, and there's what's called Moore's Law. And an engineer in the 60s developed a mathematical theory that the speed of a computer chip would double every 2 years. And to this day, it's proven correct almost to the day. Medicine is beginning to move a lot like that. What we're finding out now that they've uncovered the human genome, they're now starting to look in what's called the epigenome, which is kind of like a secondary factor that affects genetics and how genes operate. And what they're finding out now is that cancer treatment, cancer research needs to head towards what's known as personalized medicine. And what that means is every individual is different. Cancer, the word cancer, is a collection of diseases about 120 in number. But what they're finding out now is even within a particular type of cancer, in ovarian cancer, the primary type, there's 5 subgroups. And they're finding out now that there's very specific genetic differences in these subgroups, and that patients, based on the research findings that they make, may need to be tested in clinical trials as part of this treatment to decide which treatment is most appropriate for that person. But the whole area is moving very quickly. And it's another good reason to have a resource that can educate patients to this type of concept. You know, oncologists, gynecologic oncologists, they're very busy people. They handle a lot of patients. And it's almost impossible for any single person to stay on top of all this information as it develops. But that's been a rewarding part of Libby's Hope, to be able to participate in that, to see it develop, and to see its application to particular patients in helping them get better.